Welcome to How to Socials. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom app icons on iPhone iOS 14, the new update, guys. So as some of you may know, the new update is here. It allows us to use widgets to create our custom app icons, to use custom apps, or even to create our own. Okay, guys. So let's hop into this tutorial. First thing you need to do, guys, which is very important, you want to go to App Store and you want to search and download Pixart. Okay. It's this one right here, Pixart photo and video editor. I already have it, so I'm gonna open it. Yep, guys, so after you've downloaded Pixart, what you need to do next is, of course, open it. And now here, the next step, we need the logo, right? So decide what custom icon you want to create for. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create one for Snapchat, but it can be literally any app. The process is the same. So you want to go to Safari, search for a Snapchat icon or Instagram icon or YouTube icon, whatever it may be. Click on the original logo, like make sure it's the original logo or the logo you want to use for your icon. Press on it, press and hold, click add to photos. And now that we've downloaded the app icon, we want to go to Pixart. Click on this purple plus over here. Select the photo that we have just downloaded, guys. And now you want to go to effects, like this FX over here. You want to scroll this all the way to the end where it says colors. So colors is the last option. The next thing we knew, here we see colorize, which allows us to change literally the color of the entire icon, like this. Or if we go with hue, we can change only the color of the background, like this. Like let's make it pink, or let's make it purple. But as you guys might know, this is supposed to be a ghost, so I'm gonna go with negative, and this is how the Snapchat logo looks on negative, like with blue and black. I like this a lot because it seems like a ghost. What you want to do next is apply. Then you want to click next. Then I don't need to post it, so I'm gonna go save. You wanna press download photo, and now it's saved to photos, as you can see. Click done. And you can leave Pixart. Okay, guys, so this is the next step of the tutorial, but I need you to pay close attention because, as you can see right now, the Snapchat logo is the same, the Snapchat icon is the same, so we want to change it. How do we change it? Well, we want to go and look for the app called Shortcuts. So if you don't see it on the screen, you want to go to App Library and search for Shortcuts. You may have uninstalled it, you need to make sure to reinstall it. But here, once you have Shortcuts, don't be misled by this screen. All you need to do is very simple. So click on this plus in the top right corner. Now we see new shortcut. What you want to do is press the plus, add action. Now we want to go for scripting because we want to script something. Apps, open app. You want to select open app. Now you want to select the app that you want to change the icon for. So in our case is Snapchat here. Now the next thing you need to do is click the three dots again. Shortcut name, you can name it however, like shortcut Snapchat, shortcut snap, something like that. Now next you need to do add home screen. And now here are the settings that you can see on the home screen, guys. So instead of Snapchat original name, which was like this, I'm gonna use Snap because it's easier and I like it more. And here you need to press on this icon right here to change the actual icon. So you want to go for choose photo, and we will select this new one that we got. We gonna hit choose. And now, as you can see, this is the preview of the app that we're gonna have on our home screen. Click add, click as you can see, added to home screen, click done. And now if you go to your home screen, guys, look what I have here. It's Snapchat. So you can enter it to see it's everything legit. Here is the apps, and you can also hide this one. So don't delete it, but hide it. Go remove app and then move to app library, not delete it. So now we have Snapchat here installed with our new icon. Okay, guys, so if you want to see more updates and more tutorials about how to use iOS 14 and how to play around with widgets like, I know, weather, time spent, battery, how to create custom widgets with Widgetsmith, make sure to check the other videos on this channel and let me know your feedback down in the comments, guys. Have a good one. Bye bye.